Hello friends, how are you all? Welcome to our HTML training session. Today we will talk about HTML comments. HTML comments are used to add notes or remarks that do not appear in the output of the web page. They are helpful for the developers as reminder. Explanation included within the HTML code. Web browser ignore comments and they are visible only in the HTML source code. Let's see how to write HTML comments. To create a comment, you begin with a opening angle bracket, exclamation mark, 2 days, and then write your comments. After that, and closing with 2 days and a angle brackets. Everything between these symbols will not appear on the web page. For example, this is a comment like this. Next, this is a paragraph is visible on the web page, but this is the comments will not appear. Let me show you an example. I will copy and paste it here for you. You can see that this is the paragraph is visible, but the comment is not displayed. If I add a new comment, for example, this is another comment. It will also not appear in the browser. Everything between these comment tag is ignored by the browser. The browser process visible text such as paragraph or other elements to display them. However, comments are skipped entirely. Let me show you how it works. For example, I will write this is another comment. The comment will disappear from the web page. This is how we write comments in HTML. In other programming language, we often have single line and multi-line comments. But in HTML, we primarily use single line comments. You can write as much as you want within the comments, and it will start from the opening and the closing. If there are many paragraphs and I want to comment out a specified section, I can use the shortcut Ctrl plus slash. This will automatically comment out the select content. Why use comment in HTML? First, documentation. Comment help explain what your code does, making it easy for you or other to understand later. Second, debugging. You can temporarily disable part of code by commenting then out while testing or fixing bug. Third, collaboration. Comments help team members understand what happened in the code, improving teamwork and clarity. Comments can also be used as personal reminders, something you might need to write note or reminders for yourself or other who read your code. Comments are perfect for this purpose. Now, let's look at the best practice for using HTML comments. Keep them clear. Write comments that are easy to understand and explain the purpose or functionality of the code. Avoid overuse. Use comments only use necessary. Do not your code with unnecessary comments. Update them. If you make change to your code, ensure you update the relevant comments to keep them accurate. Follow a standard. Maintain a constant style and format for writing comments, especially if you are working in a team. Here an example how you can use comments effectively. Let me open this in my code editor. The title section being here. The body start with the header section. Inside the header section, there is a h1 tag with the text "Welcome to my website." However, the header section itself has a comment explanation its purpose. Other can easily understand what it is. Following the header section, we start the navigation menu. I have added a comment here indicating the start of the navigation menu so that anyone review the code can easily identify it. Next, the main content section is defined. Inside the main content section, there an h2 tag that further define the content. We have the footer section, which we have documented with a comment. The footer section start here and include a p tag where you can write text like copyrights information. Then for content information, we use the address to include details like an email and phone number. I have added a comments here, the contact information section. This helps further user or developers understand that this part of the code is for content detail. By using HTML comment effectively, you can explain, debug, and collaborate better with your code. If you have any more question, feel free to ask in the comment. Keep smiling and happy coding. Thank you. Tag